Right now, I'm going to show you how to use the hose attachment here for the CarpetXpert. This is the Shark CarpetXpert. So you'll fill it up with water and cleaning solution. You get your other Oxy Boost here as well. Now, I do have a complete tutorial if you want to watch that as well on how to use the carpet cleaner in its entirety. But right now, I'm just going to show you how to use the hose attachment. So you get everything set up. You're going to turn it on. When it's clicked in its upright position, that'll engage your cleaning attachment. You'll press and pull the trigger here. Water and cleaning solution will spray out of this nozzle. We're going to clean this stain right here. We're going to spray it down. We're going to scrub. We're going to extract. We're going to do that 2 or 3 times. You just do it as needed until you're satisfied with how clean your spot or stain is getting. Now here, it does have a reversible scrub head on this one, so depending on the tool that you are using, you can flip that around. And for me, I'm just going to use the traditional plastic bristles. The other ones, the yellow ones, are kind of rubber fins, and those work really good on delicate fabrics and also for animal, pet hair, dog beds, things like that. So let's go ahead and turn it on and get started. Cool. And that is it. It's a very simple process. You're just going to spray, you'll scrub, you'll extract. Just do that as much as you need until you're satisfied. Now you can use this on tons of different materials, car seats, couches, chairs, mattresses in some cases. You want to just be sure to check the tag of whatever you're cleaning and make sure that it can be spot cleaned. But a lot of times for me, it's kind of the last stop. I'm either going to clean it or throw it away. So in some cases, I really don't care. So I always try on those types of materials. So my wife actually got a chair that she picked up from one of the Goodwills. And before we threw it out, we did try to clean it and actually cleaned up nicely. So we ended up being able to save a piece of furniture, but just something to keep of note, make sure that you can clean the fabric before, because in some cases it can actually damage the material. But again, I do have a complete tutorial on this machine if you want to check it out. Again, it's the Shark CarpetXpert.